Good morning, guys. It is 29th of March 2026, and I again forgot to record my morning routine and my breakfast. Actually, since it is Sunday, I woke up late, pretty late. I woke up at somewhat 8:45 maybe, and mom and dad they were already making breakfast. Today they made corn shira. It is just like upma or pohe. Just main ingredient is corn and you give food neat to it. So yeah, I actually wanted to take at least a picture of today's breakfast to show it, but I completely forgot about it. And yeah, Didi, just as I said yesterday, Didi is in Mumbai right now. She must be doing shopping and photo shooting stuff. So I don't know what plans do we have for today. We'll have to figure it out. I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I'll try to record what like I'll try to at least record what I did today. But I'm not sure if my phone would be supporting me today as well or not, because yesterday it just gave up on me. The camera was not responding no matter how many times I tried to open it. But let's see how the day goes. So after having our breakfast at around 1 p.m., we had our lunch. Mom made bhindi sabji with one bhakri and dal. So dal was good enough for protein. And after having our lunch, I just slept for a while and woke up at around 5 p.m. somewhat. I wanted to at least take a picture of the lunch, but I just totally forgot it. I did say that I will try to, at least take a picture of it to add it in the video. But yeah, I just completely forgot about it. Um, I did help my mom to make, to cut the onion and lady finger and stuff. I I I like cooking. It is almost 6 p.m. now and I just had my bath. मैंने सुबह नहीं नहाया था because I was very much bored. Not bored, uh, इच्छा नहीं थी. So yeah, I just took my bath and I think we are going out right now because we wanted to shop for my shoes, formal shoes over my blazer. वैसे तो I was hoping कि when the blazer would be what do I say, म्हणजे टेलरला दिलता राईट ब्लेझर to do the fitting and stuff. So I was hoping when the tailor would return it, I'll take my blazer along with myself to match the shoes that would go on the blazer. But वो 9 तारीख को देने वाला है, 9 और 11th of April. So mom is like कि बहुत लेट हो जाएगा and बाद में will be in a rush, in a hurry to shop for all that stuff. So I think we'll be going out now to buy that shoes and और भी थोड़ा सा काम है जो करना है. And maybe we are gonna have our dinner outside. Frankly, I don't know bro, मतलब मेरे को चलेगा भी, but one side of me is like कि नहीं मुझे कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, but there is no other option, right? क्योंकि अभी लेट होगा. if we go outside right now it is past 6 maybe or 6, पता नहीं अभी कितना बजा, but yeah, so maybe हम बाहर ही खाएंगे. But it is alright. So we went outside and we did shopping for our shoes, जो ब्लेजर पे सूट होगा. Papa bought one and I bought one. Well, frankly speaking, today I realized कि भाई genuinely there is no variety, or there is no options in boys dressing, boys outfit. All the shoes I saw, they were simply plain, no design, nothing. Yes, there were some shoes that were like those shoes were meant especially for wedding or high standard events, but I wanted some shoes that I can wear in the wedding uh, or any event, as well as in future, if I want, I can just wear it for my formal office look. So yeah, I bought the shoes and stuff, and then actually we went for. We were pretty hungry, so we decided to go and eat dosa, and we went to Ravit food court, but unfortunately, dosa wala nahi tha udhar. So we ended up eating aloo naan thali. It had paneer ki sabji, dal makhni, and aloo naan, of course. Abhi I remember I took my phone, I clicked a picture of it, ठीक है, and it is not there. मैंने ये जो व्लॉग मतलब ये जो स्पेसिफिक क्लिप जो मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, it is the next day, alright? And the reason I did not upload yesterday is my phone. It was so annoying, so frustrating yesterday. मैंने दिमाग में रख के I clicked a picture of the food just to add it. Well, it is not a big deal, I understand. But I was like कि अभी याद आ गया, so let's click a picture of it. I'll at least show. Otherwise, the video would be just me coming here, sitting in this background. I just have two backgrounds, I'll just show it to you. I have this one bed ka background and this my wardrobe background. That is the only two backgrounds I have. So I just thought that if I add other clips and stuff, it would be more interesting for even me to watch later after years and stuff. So yeah, that is the reason why I'm recording this specific clip on the next day. And I was actually very uh, annoyed because of that. So I was like, छोड़ो भाई, अभी कल का कल रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, कल का व्लॉग आई मिक्स इट. सो या आगे जो तुम देखोगे दैट इज गोना बी व्लॉग ऑफ डे 2. ब्रो, frankly speaking, uh, while I'm recording this clip, right, I don't even know what is gonna be my next clip. मैंने ऑलरेडी वो रिकॉर्ड करके रखा है आज सुबह का. आज इन द सेंस टुडे इज व्हाट, इट इज 30th. तुमको दिखेगा नहीं, ठीक है. इट इज 30th of March. एंड ओके, आगे देख ही लो अभी क्या है. इवन आई डोंट नो ब्रो व्हाट. आई जस्ट मींस वन थॉट जस्ट केम इन माय माइंड दैट व्हाट इफ what I am saying right now is already recorded in today's morning's clip, and it would be clashing. It is gonna clash, I believe. Okay, so yeah, that was the day, for today in the sense 29th of March. And I just came home. Of course I did not edit because मेरा ये out हो गया था, and I had some college का work जो मैंने नहीं किया. Good morning guys, it is 30th of March 2026 and I just came back from gym. Today it was Monday, so it was legs day. Actually I've changed my routine a little. Actually आज legs day नहीं था according to my previous routine, but थोड़ा सा change किया है because legs are important and I usually मतलब मेरे से skip हो जाता है because of अखाड़ा and stuff. So yeah, थोड़ा सा changes किया है and I wanted to record the gym time lapse, but my phone was not charged enough, so I thought I'll leave it. And about yesterday, I wanted to upload the vlog, edit the vlog and upload it yesterday itself, but कल बहुत थक गया था. I was very tired yesterday and I had some college work to do जो मैंने एक्चुअल में नहीं किया है. I decided that I'll have to skip the vlog editing and I'll have to work on the college internship review latex वाला. But I don't know, I was very sleepy, so मैंने कुछ नहीं किया रात को. I just slept. And one more reason why I did not upload yesterday was I clicked some pictures and clips of yesterday. फ़ोन में क्लिक किया था, and when I was transferring it to my laptop to edit the video, I just could not find it in my phone. I don't know bro, like मैंने किया था, ठीक है, मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था, मैंने क्लिप्स निकाले थे, few of them were there and some of them were not there, so it just fucked my mind. So I was like कि छोड़ो भाई, अभी नेक्स्ट डे का व्लॉग साथ में रिकॉर्ड करके हाथ बहुत दुखता है ऐसे पकड़ के, बट या सो आई वाज लाइक कि नेक्स्ट डे का व्लॉग आई कंबाइन विद इट. And about today, of course me and Papa, we are both at home. दीदी तो मुंबई में है एंड मम्मी शी हैज़ लेफ्ट फॉर स्कूल ऑलरेडी. एंड कल मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत कचरा खाया था. सो टुडे आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल skip the lunch too. Skip in the sense I'll not eat what my mom made. I'll just stick to salad or something else because I'll tell you in the later vlog. मतलब कल के vlog में मैं वो मिक्स कर दूँगा. So yeah, ठीक है चलो, I'll do my breakfast now. I'm pretty hungry. Guys, today's breakfast is gonna be havoc. It is an experimental breakfast. हमारे जिम में एक अंकल है, he suggested Papa to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I have some roasted chana. I'm gonna put it into the mixer, ठीक है. Then I have these dry fruits जो मैंने कल रात को भिगो के रखा था. I soaked them in water at night and I'm gonna grind all this stuff, ठीक है. And then I also have milk. I just boiled it. It is still hot, so I'm gonna mix it with milk. And yeah, I just bought some paneer. It is 125 grams of paneer, but I'm just gonna eat half of it because Papa is gonna eat half of it. So we are gonna make a dry fruit milkshake and paneer, and I don't know if it is gonna fill me up, but yeah, we'll have to try. Okay guys, moment of truth. पनीर तो मैंने पहले ही खा लिया because I was pretty hungry, and yeah, so here I have it. It is pretty thick, you know. I should have added more milk, but it's fine. Let's give it a try. ठीक है, it is fine. It is not all that bad. Maybe because of roasted chana, the taste is. Means it's not bad, you know. Whenever you're eating something healthy, you cannot expect it to be tasty, you know. But it is alright. Like it is drinkable. I can drink it for months maybe. ठीक है. And the date that I added now, that made it a little bit sweeter. It is natural sugar, but it is fine. And talking about dry fruits, right? They're actually healthy for you, but the thing is, it is calorie dense, and it also has some fats, you know, oils and stuff. So they are healthy, but they are not optimal for fat loss. They are good, but not all that good. So yeah, this is it for. After the breakfast, I was supposed to complete my college work, the internship report, latex wala, but I don't know, I was just not in the mood to do anything. Even my friend Dheeraj called me, and he was also like, उसने भी कुछ नहीं किया, and he was saying that we have aptitude session today, but no one was going to college, so I was like कि छोड़ो भाई, even I don't wanna go because थोड़ा सा टाइम पास ही होता है उधर. वो अलग बात है, टाइम पास हम करते हैं, not the teacher and stuff. But yeah, all I did was nothing until the lunchtime. So it is almost 12:30 and it is time for lunch. Of course, I'm not gonna eat chapati and sabji, so I've decided to make a salad for myself. So we have two cucumbers. I'll finely chop them, and I have some curd. That is it. This is all. I'm gonna just finely chop it, mix it with the curd. I do have sprouts, but I don't think I'm gonna add it. But I do have some roasted chana, high in protein, so I'm gonna eat that. I also had options for eggs, but summer chal raha hai, so I think for today I'm gonna avoid this. It is good, but I don't know. I'm just not in mood of it. So yeah, I'll find quickly make my lunch and we'll eat quick. Okay, so this is how it ended. It is just curd with cucumber, and I just added some salt in it, and yeah, that is it. थोड़ा सा मिर्च मसाला I've added it. I did eat two handful of chana, roasted chana, and पापा के लिए ये बनाया था. I don't know what सब्जी. I think बॉटल गार्ड की सब्जी थी with चपाती, and मेरे मॉम को सुबह ही बोल दिया था that I'm not gonna eat it because yesterday I just ate मैदा रोटी and stuff. So also yeah, Didi came home at around 10:30 maybe, somewhat 11ish and उस मम्मी ने उसके लिए कुछ नहीं बनाया था घर पे because she said that she'll have her lunch outside, so no need to make anything for her. Luckily mom had made one extra chapati, not extra, she just thought that मुझे भूख लग जाएगी, so I'll end up eating that extra chapati she made. So yeah, that was so much thoughtful of her, but I was stick to my plan. I was stuck to my diet, and yeah, so Didi, she came from Mumbai, and she ate that one chapati with some leftover yesterday's bhindi sabji. And yeah, one more thing. So when she was on her way to home, right, she was almost 10 minutes away from home, and she just called me that Anish, shall I bring Maggie? Let's eat Maggie, let's make Maggie. And I just said only one thing to her, Didi, Papa hai bigari. She thought Papa has left for office, but she just completely forgot that today he is doing work from home. So yeah, that was a funny incident. But even if Papa was not at home now, then also I would have just denied her because I don't know, I just wanted to stick to my diet. And yeah, after lunch, nothing really much happened, you know. I tried sleeping. I was very sleepy, but I did not sleep today in the afternoon. And mom came back from school at around 3 p.m. and we were just watching Mahabharat. Yeah, that was it. Like, this is what I love about Pune. I don't know तुमको दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है. It has started to rain, bro. Like, come on, it is summer. Just few minutes ago मैं full speed पे fan लगा के बैठा था रूम में, and it has started to rain. This is crazy. This is Pune, bro. This is Pune. सही है. Well, around 4 p.m. I was acting like a psycho, you know. मैं मम्मी के पीछे पड़ गया था कि मम्मी, I wanna eat दाल बाटी, I wanna eat दाल बाटी. Actually बहुत दिनों से मैं मम्मी को कन्विंस करने का ट्राई कर रहा था that please make दाल बाटी. I really like the दाल बाटी she makes, and मैं तो उसके पीछे ही पड़ गया था. So she was like ठीक है बना देते हैं. And we started making at around 4:30 maybe jaldi, क्योंकि it takes time. It is a lengthy process, kind of lengthy process, but it turns out very good, you know. So dal bati, of course I also helped. And आज क्या हुआ ना, because of rain maybe वाईफाई बार बार डाउन जा रहा था. So मैं I just got an excuse to help mom in the kitchen. Papa was like, he goes do study, do something, वगैरह. But I was like, कि Papa, there is no Wi-Fi, so let me help mom. I do like cooking and stuff, right? So I was helping out mom, and जल्दी बन के हो गया था खाना. By 6:15, it was ready. It was completely ready, and the smell, the aroma, it really made hungry. एक तो I was already starving because of the lunch, afternoon lunch. I just had cucumber and curd, right? So I was already very hungry, and me, mom and dad went uh, in down to just walk for a while. 6 बजे 6:30 6:15 6:30 I guess we went down. We had a little walk. Bhai, the weather today in Pune was awesome, really awesome. जो मैंने क्लिप डाला था about the rain, that was just the beginning, उसके बाद इतना बारिश हुआ. It was it was awesome. So yeah, after a walk, we just quickly had our dinner, and उसके बाद again I don't know भाई, मेरा मूड ही नहीं था to do anything. I just thought कि I'll do some DSA. मैंने लैपटॉप लिया and I opened the website Lead Code, and I was just staring. मुझे कुछ मतलब I don't know bro, I was just not in the mood. पिछले 4-5 दिनों से आई डोंट नो मुझे क्या हुआ है. बट आफ्टर ऑल आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं भाई, आज एक क्वेश्चन तो करना ही है. सो या आई डिड वन क्वेश्चन, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि इट इज 10:30 नाउ, सो आई विल क्विकली एडिट, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को 2 दिनों का एडिट करना था. सो या हियर आई एम एडिटिंग राइट नाउ, एंड साइड बाय साइड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग द क्लिप्स. वेल, दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे. कल फिर से विल बी गोइंग टू जिम. कल ट्यूसडे है, राइट? आई थिंक वी हैव आवर नहीं, वी हैव आवर बाइसेप्स एंड व्हाट, बैक एंड बाइसेप्स, या. सो आई विल कीप इट शॉर्ट फॉर टुडे. ज़्यादा आज ऑलरेडी ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया वीडियो. सो आई मीट यू गाइस टुमारो. बाय बाय.